A comment that I get a lot on my videos is, where do I get my sound effects? Well, most of the sound effects are from the game Fallout New Vegas. And I'm going to tell you how you can get all these sound effects. Okay, step 1. Buy Fallout New Vegas. Then, download Fallout Mod Manager. Now, open Fallout Mod Manager. Select Fallout New Vegas. Now Tools, BSA Browser, then Open. Local Disk C, Program Files x86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Fallout New Vegas, Data, then Fallout-Sound. Then Open. Now press Extract. Once it's done, you should have a folder full of sound effects.